Guys! Wow! She's so beautiful here. Afterworld.
Punta tayo dito. Because it's home video nga, sabi ko sa inyo. Ako lang, walang
Wow,
kasama.
guys.
So, ikot-ikot lang tayo dito sa Manila. Ayan.
You can have a break, guys, when I'm still looking.
Dahil
Wow. You can have a break. You can eat.
hapon na, dilim na ang panahon.
You can pause the video.
Bahay-bahay ulit siya. Hindi ba nasa
Oh no, you can.
sponsor
You cannot
farming at
pause
isda.
video.
Okay. So mga bahay na ito, pasukin natin isa-isa. Let's go. Sino pong nakatira dito? Tao po.
There. See the next one. See,
Hello,
please watch
everybody.
this video. Please. Oh yeah. You already watched it. You already watched it. And hi guys.
Was released 61 years ago.
Hours telling all bluebirds, the feeling bluebirds. Oh yeah, I already know. I thought it's 62 years ago.
Did you know that the Pretty Little Baby song was released 61 years ago?
I'm so in love with you.
Sige po. Okay.
Did you know that the Pretty Little Baby song
Among Us. and Mingus. As for
Okay. So, ito yung mga anak niyo po. Lahat ng
no,
dito
you
nito.
actually kill a rabbit. You cannot do it. Wow, it's easy.
So, ano po yung...
Cannot remix, cause you cannot do anything.
Sa tubuhan. Okay. Yung pamamagitan sa...
It still can move. Why 74 people say no?
Siya, hindi ka maso. Masakit siya? Just princess ako kahiga ito.
And all my other siblings to ride on my back. I'm basically the parent I keep everyone in line. I've never had a hand. My shoes, they always shine. Hi, we are the males and we're always overlooked. Rules are made for us to break, which means they're super stuck. Hand-me-downs are always down. Nothing's ever new. You hate us 'cause you hate us, but trust us, it's the truth. Hi, I am the youngest. I'm my family's pride and joy. My siblings were irrelevant the day that I was born. I walk into the room, all the attention goes to me. I get anything I want, but just a mommy, daddy, please give my hand, I'm trying.
Hindi ka ba narinig sa bahay? Wala bang ilan? Wala ba kayong pera, ate? Wala daw silang kapera-pera. Wala pang maayos na trabaho ang kanyang asawa. Malayo ito. Ang ilan nga daw sa kanyang mga anak ay hindi na nakapag-aral dahil wala silang pambili ng mga gamit nito.
Sibling and try. I am and the oldest child of the pack. Okay.
Yung mga anak ko, hindi nakapag-aral kasi wala ng pera pambili ng gamit.
Okay.
Hindi na nga, humingi ako ng bigas doon sa kapatid, yung asawa ko. Kasi wala kami bigas.
Kumain na po ba kayo?
Bago natin. Almusal.
Okay. So, ang trabaho lang pala ng asawa niyo po yung sa tuluhan kung saan na. Ito si Princess hindi pa napapainom ng gamot. Ang muda.
Wash Hi guys, you can see me. I have Hazel.
Hindi, ako na.
Ay, oo nga.
Do it in the bank.
Pwede mo na. Mabuti na lang.
A birthday that.
Pwede yung dagong kami.
Okay.
Mayroon kaming dalang-damot. Dahil sa ating
I'm
sponsor.
gonna protect
Ang kaibigan,
this.
maraming pong salamat.
Okay. I'm mommy. Mommy.
Alas 12. Every 4 hours, the one with the report. Alas 4.
Oh.
Ulit ka.
Hi, sweetie.
4.
We're here.
Nasunod.
Maybe this
Alas
one.
8.
Today.
Basta every 4 hours po ha. Nung every 4 hours okay. Pupuasan po. Kasi tayo.
Someone is missing gold.
Hallelujah. Pinigay. Ano yung
You can't steal a treasure.
hindi parang lain sa inyo.
Here's the first one. Just in the
Pag may nagtain na.
here.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, kumusta ka naman? Okay, sabi ni nanay, mahirap ang buhay
This is
dito.
the first secret.
Hindi buti at nakapag-aaral.
Just gonna open it.
Sabi niya,
Ooh, you found it. Yes, just I just checked the door.
anong grade ka na? Ano yung pangalan mo?
Someone steal it. What?
Paano?
Can you check it? Okay. Someone steal. Someone steal something. What?
Paano hindi
Wait, I'm gonna check what. Where's that tools? I forgot. I not. Where's that? Oh, this just pack this first.
nakapasok ka ba sa mga
Tuwa na naman. Tuwa. Oh, ayan. Coke. Wait, guys. Mouth's juicy, guys.
Kasi 38 ka pa lang.
Una nga, anak. Kapit ka.
Hindi ka magpupunto.
Okay.
Ang dami mo pang makikita.
Not Let's go to Yasi Wasi. Where's Yasi Wasi? This one.
Dahil kapag parang itong pinapayaan ng bahay mo, kanino ito?
Second gear is on the top shelf.
Oh, okay. Get it?
Cemetery ko yung ito. Oo, may kapit-bahay pa kayo dito.
Malayo.
Hindi kayo nagkakasya. Wala na mga
And the guy just sitting.
Teka lang ha. Tatala ko na sa internet. Okay. Tingnan ko din yung ilang nakakapag.
Bahay namin.
Hello? Ilan yung nandito pa?
Is it this one
Ilalang kasi yung isa nag-aaral.
Hello?
here?
Ang pocket
Oh, there. Then, okay.
Ang kagwapo nila ba? Hello? Susi?
Behind various items. It's not hard to find. The third gear is right inside the vault. So let's go ahead and open the secret compartment. Great! I need to make the same kind of secret access at home.
Okay.
Wait,
Sige. Mabuti hindi dumating sa point na
2 years ago, I thought this is still today. I thought that is today.
Kasi tanggalin mo hindi naman yung aso. Mag-iingat tayo. Pero tayo.
Wow, look, let me make a picture of this.
Tapos ang tubo. Nagiging. Doon sa mahal.
What's the next secret? Not the red, just like. Let's hold that secret yet.
40.
Pero sa edad niya,
Second gear is on the top shelf behind various items. It's not hard to find. The third gear is right inside the vault. So let's go ahead and open the secret compartment.
sabi niya po kasi magkakasin sa
Great! I need to make the same kind of secret access with sweets. So, what do you think of these gifts? I don't really understand their value because it's just a silver sad figurine and a painting of a happy boy with a yellow head. But apparently, art lovers like that kind of thing.
I need money. I'm a fan of money. I love money.
Apparently, this man needs us to bring him some money, and in return, he'll give us something. Let's test my theory. I hope this amount will be enough for him, because I don't want to give him all the money that's in the bank.
Wow, thank you. As a thank you, I'll give you some piece of paper.
I want to read more carefully what is written.
That's what I'm
It
talking
says that
about.
this piece of paper belongs to the
Want money?
Pero yung first reading na,
She wants money.
Ano po? Kalapit na sana. Kaso, naka ko ng hindi ako nakapasa.
Let's give him a money.
Nalagnat ko noon.
lagi ka bang nilalagyan?
Hindi.
Wala ka bang ibang
This one. This guy.
Okay. So kung hindi tayo dumating,
Bruh.
kayo ng gamot natin.
But I'm gonna write it. Or just put it like that. Or give this to the lady. This one. I found it! Wow. Wow. I'm good at this, guys.
Isang tablet ng Jessie. Nasa sa 10
The little worm Jossie.
So, hindi pa nila yung evidence. So, ngayon, ito ba
Now, my paper has a green stamp on it. If I give it to someone, I will receive a gift. For all the work you've done, you get an empty box. Just kidding, just click on it and you'll see what happens.
Mabuti at may gulo lang lang ka. So, yung sinain
What's
kanina,
this? Yeah. Out here.
hindi na mahirap.
No, I should have stayed there. I'm done blogging. I was already 12:40 now. We'll set that to 2 a.m. 2 p.m. Oh, p.m. This to this lady. Again and oh, it's a credit card. Yay, I have a credit card. I have a credit card.
I don't really like jokes like that, but let's see what's inside. Wow, a credit card. With it, I'll be able to open another safe deposit box in the bank.
What kind of it? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
What a cool suitcase. With it, I could head straight to the airport, but I don't need to fly anywhere just yet. So let's uncover another secret.
I got fired today. Let's celebrate it and hang out somewhere. Have a tea party.
Great idea, but where am I supposed to get teacups? Maybe they're stored in a bank vault, too. Let me check.
So that person, I already moved that
My
person.
intuition tells me that the code to this bank vault is star, circle, triangle. My intuition didn't fail me again. If you want,
Wait, guys. I'm gonna pause it. Okay. Where it is in tower. And I have another seat, guys.
Tapos bibigyan ko kayo ng solar para mayroon kayo pambili ng ito pagkain para hindi mabawasan yung pambili pa ng pambila. Tapos papadala mo kayo ng solar, kapangalan ko na lang sa'yo, ha?
Oh, I love pink, so I need to get pink. And the credit card.
Hindi. Sasama pa kanya malayo.
Let's go to the airport. Wow! I fall through the floor. Uh-oh. I slipped. Oh.
Ibibigay ko kayo ng solar para mailaw po kayo dito.
Oy.
Okay, tapos ito pa. Bibigay na
You.
para makabili kayo ng ticket.
Wow. So beautiful. It already looks like night time. Where's the sun?
Magkano nga ang bigas ngayon?
Morning!
Isang
Good morning, sunshine! Good morning, Hannah. Family! Candy policies. Where's the ball? Wait, I forgot this thing. There. I forgot here to there. We're gonna have a trip. Royal. Wait, guys. Later I'm gonna eat for that. We're not there. I'm gonna go here in the train station. And there's also a last cat here. But we already seen. And the update is the police station. We didn't know I ordered dinner. Stay for that. No. Me.
Nagaling siya.
Cannot be. Wait.
Alam mo kung ano pang nangyayari sa'yo. Ilang oras mo yung lahat na?
Maalis siya dito ng umaga.
Another secret. I'm gonna tell that to Yasiwasi
All day
and
ka
her
sa
mom.
school.
Look
Tapos
at
pag walang
me.
pagkain, walang baon,
Bruh,
pupuntong ka sa
this
school.
man is crazy, bruh.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Bruh.
Kanin,
Bruh.
ulam,
Bruh. Oo, my parents. Nauna pa naman ang bata na yan.
sige. Basta magkaisipin mo and isipin mo ang nararamdaman.
Let's go to the elevator.
Ang inspirasyon mo kaya
Bruh. This thing is crazy. This suitcase is crazy. I forgot that invented. This thing is crazy, bruh. Elevator.
Mayroon tayong sponsor ng manual. Mapili ka na matulungan na makapag-aral. Okay? Hello?
Yung mami na
Boom.
Oh!
Tatagay ko yan.
Oh, my penny.
Uwi siya.
I only see that in the first time ever.
Siya silang magkakapatid eh. Parang kami lang. Naalala ko nung bata kami. Siyam din po kami. So, si Lord Natay, tinanay sa bahay lang.
Go our
May pagkakataon sa
suitcase.
sobrang hirap ng buhay namin, ibinenta namin ang bahay
53.
namin.
How about
Hindi ko matandaan kung magkano. Buhat. Dinala sa ibang barangay kasi wala yung pera.
this is scared? I'm scared.
Oo, 3,000 yata.
We're just the same
Tapos lumipat na
packing.
kami dun sa
We're just
bayan,
having-
dun sa pinamanang bahay ng lolo
Wait.
niya. Ay, lolo
Can I
namin.
borrow the camera?
Pero,
This one.
hindi na nga mahulugan.
Okay.
Hindi pa rin kami mahirap. Eh, 3,000 yung binenta yung bahay.
Everything.
Mahirap pa din.
Oh my god. Oh, my pear lips. In the I get all my pear lips. Here is
Pero mo
yours.
na ate yung ano ha. Implant ha. Kasi bata
I'm
ka,
not
pag
gonna
pwede ka
get
pa ulit
your
ng
phone.
ano. Ha?
not gonna get your stuff. How about my... I'm gonna get this thingy so I can vlog. Let's go, Mama. I'm not gonna go to the airport. I don't like to go to the airport. Flowers. And and that's all for today.